Hey everyone, this is Cade Larson. This video is for AEP 800, mini assignment number 3, where we are finding new applications for us to use to take out into our classrooms. And this is my 5th one, and I think this is a pretty great one to help anyone with math for sure. This is my second one geared towards math because I'm a math teacher, and you can't have enough tools to help you teach math. So if we go ahead and click enter, then I figured out you have to go to topics, and then it gives you just this giant list of different things. So if I just click algebra, then it gives you a bunch of different things. The algebra activities is a great one. So let's just click on collecting like terms. So there's different levels, and each one of these has different levels. It's pretty great. And we can go in, so we have a plus a plus a plus a. So we know that is 4a. Then after you type it in, you can go down, you can click check. You know you got it right. It is so helpful for students to be able to check their work right away and see whether or not what they're doing is working. So we come down here, oh, it's 6D. Well, I'll check my answer. Oh, I got it wrong. And immediately I know that I messed up somewhere. So what do I have to do? And your students can take this and run with it and be able to kind of work on their own. And a thing that I see I could use in my class is maybe have them try it once. If they don't get it right, retry it themselves. And then if they don't get it right again, maybe that's when they come up and talk to me. Um, so then just have them do the whole page, show all their work. Then they could maybe go to level 2 or level 3 even. But there's just a bunch of different great little games like this, if you want to call them a game, or just checkpoints that you can see. And let's say we go back, we could go to equations, and then they have a bunch of different um, equation ones that you can solve, and again you can type your answer and you can check them. So I think this is a great thing to help your students, and the students that are good to go, they can get to those higher levels, so they can work ahead and actually get that supplemental instruction, if you will, or at least practice to get better at what they're doing. And those that aren't working so fast, that's when you sit down and you help them, and it'll be great for them as well. So that is transum.org. Thank you.